Hailey Bieber arrives at the 2025 Met Gala without Justin Bieber in a micro blazer dress and with a dirty martini in hand. Hailey Bieber is enjoying a girls' night out at the 2025 Met Gala. The model and skincare guru who arrived on the steps of the Met without her husband Justin Bieber took on this year's theme Superfine, tailoring black style in a black Saint Laurent mini blazer dress paired with peep to slide on platform pumps and stockings. Hailey Bieber, however, did not show up alone. She walked the carpet alongside her bestie Kendall Jenner. Hailey Bieber wore her expensive brunette hair styled in a deep part and loose curls. She kept her glam simple with bronzed contour and her signature glossy lip. The rude skin fonder accessorized with Tiffany and Co jewelry, including a diamond necklace, earrings, and ring, as well as a silver watch. Of course, she also donned her stunning engagement ring from husband Hailey Bieber before arriving at the iconic steps. Hailey Bieber was seen exiting the Carlyle Hotel with a martini in hand. The prestigious event's theme is inspired by scholar Monica Miller's book Slaves to Fashion, Black Dandyism and Styling of Black Diasporic Identity. The fashion showcase, which is co-chaired by Pharrell Williams, Lewis Hamilton, Coleman Domingo, SAP Rocky and Anna Wintour and LeBron James, is accompanied by an exhibit featuring work from designers Virgil Abloh and Grace Wells Bonner, among many others. Hailey Bieber and Justin Bieber last attended the event together in 2021 when they made their Met Gala couple debut, taking on the theme in America, a lexicon of fashion. The model showed the power of an LBD in a slinky floral grazing Saint Laurent gown that featured an embellished plunging neckline. She added layers of Tiffany and Co jewels accessorized with dark shades and wore her hair done in natural waves. The baby singer matched in a sleek black suit composed of white leg pants and a cropped jacket from his clothing brand La Maison Drew. He finished off his fit with painted slip-on sneakers and Jackie jewelry. Hailey Bieber rode solo the next year, nailing the 2022 Gilded Glamour dress code in a creamy white satin Saint Laurent gown that featured a halter neckline, low back, and soaring leg slit. She paired the centerpiece with a regal featured cap, sheer black tights, strappy black heels, and diamond earrings. A select back bun finished off her look. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.